Good morning. Happy Vlogmas Day 7. Today, December 7th.
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love there's always a way. And oh, this time of year we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say, and I claim
We're in BJ's. Good night, and thank you for joining on this Vlogmas Day 7. Hit the like button and see you tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 8. Happy Vlogmas!